Hello everyone. In this video, I'm starting work on new project from scratch. This is a real project for a client. Nothing is pre-planned, nothing is for a demo. I'll be sharing how this project is actually started, what happened in first client meeting, and how real project begin before any coding start. Before meeting, I had one clear intention. I wasn't trying to sell my service. I wasn't trying to impress the client. My focus was to listen, to understand who they are, what kind of work they do, and why they feel to need their website at this stage. In this meeting, the client spoke in detail about their NGOs. They explained social work they involve in community they are trying to support. At first, the request sounds simple. They said they want website. But as discuss continue, it became clear that website itself was not a main requirement. What they actually needed a professional online presence, something that presents their NGO clearly and build trust with anyone who visit the website. After the meeting, client prepared a proper documentation and share with me. This include detail about their NGO, their objective, and the content they want on website. This document will guide how project will plan and build. Now, I will start planning the project using the client documentation and begin real work step by step. I will share the process honestly, same way real project happen in real life. If you want to follow this project journey, stay connected. Thank you for watching.